Man, when I tell y'all I just decided to start recording, I was just talking about some crazy ass shit. If I could just explain how life happens for you in the most broken down way, this is how I would do it. Everything is tied to your conscious and your subconscious mind. That's two things that essentially attract everything into your life. Think of the conscious mind as your brain and the subconscious mind as your stomach. Anyways, before my goddamn phone froze up and edit that out. The inner conversations that we essentially have by ourselves, because newsflash, we all talk to ourselves, whether we admit it or not. Everybody has a conversation with themselves every day. It could be anyhow. But the inner conversations that we have, and not only that, for real, I'm gonna really have to say it like this: inner conversation, visions, visuals, and things we process essentially go into our conscious mind and essentially sparks and formulates ideas. These ideas then begin to trigger your five senses. Those five senses, which are connected to your brain, start to send information down your motherfucking spine to your fucking subconscious brain, aka your stomach, and stores it for data. Your shit is your stomach is a memory card. Your stomach is a fucking memory card, bro. And and your brain is the motherfucking console. Damn. Niggas out here with PS5s in their motherfucking head. Storage device for a stomach, man. It's beautiful. Like, man, the shit that you put in is the shit that's gonna come out, bro. The shit you gonna see with your eyes, bro. Because your eyes is one of your five senses, right? All of your senses is what stores the information. I also forgot to mention this in the video, but you also have your sixth sense, your imagination as well, which stores the information for ideas. So when you fast forward in life and you come across a situation, it's gonna be like deja vu because you didn't felt that shit before. You gonna find yourself consciously or subconsciously in a moment that you have already been in sensationally. That shit's magic, nigga. That's that ether. That is what makes us God. The power to create from essentially nothing, bro. This shit gets so fucking deep. We essentially create from nothing. Everything is dead. Everything in life is dead until we give it life. Yeah, he talking. Everything is motherfucking dead until we give it life, bro. It's like shit don't even exist until we give it that energy. What does attention do? Bring more attention. Nigga, like, bro, this shit is crazy. But I love it though. It's like, man, the psychological mind shit, bro. Evolution. Evolution is the key, man. You definitely want to be out here evolving. You definitely don't want to be dissolving, if that makes sense. Is that the right? Anyways, bro, don't be motherfucking going down, bro. You gonna have moments where you know what I'm saying, where you sloping, but life is like the stock market. You always gonna go up, fam. What goes down, what must come up. What goes up must come down. It's the flow of life, man. Just study, man. Study this shit. Study the laws of the universe. Study how the world works. That's where I would start. Just Google, how does the world work? Universally. Then you'll start getting into your laws of attraction. And like all this shit really ties back to you. The man who sparks it all. Like, bro, without you there is no life. Think about that shit. Without you there is no life. The world starts and ends with you. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, man, don't be out here destroying yourself, man. Don't be out here playing victim. This life shit is easy if you make it that. Like, can't nobody give you no cheat codes, but you can make the cheat codes for your damn self. Life is 5% physical and 95% non-physical. That has to imply that everything is within, for real. This shit that, like, we just in, bro, like this space, that's only 5% of Earth. We make up 95% of this shit. We make up 95% of life. In a sense, life is fake. Life's not real. Life is a dream. So stop taking it serious and do what the fuck you want out here, bro. Niggas is not judging you to take it serious, bro. Niggas is judging you how they would judge themselves. Niggas is essentially seeing you through their own mirror and they is judging themselves, bro. That's all life is, bro. Life is just a reflection of your inner thoughts. It's 2024, man. Y'all better start knowing how to win. Get your mental frame so good that even your mistakes look good. That's how you really do it, bro. It's like, man, turn your L's into lessons. Like, man, you gonna mess up. That's a part of living in the unknown. Like, bro, you don't know shit. What you do know or what you think you know, bro, that shit's in the past. The past doesn't exist. Only the present exists. And what exists in the present is unknown. It's infinite. The present moment is forever. Well, yeah, I just feel like I should chat, you feel me? I had a lot of shit on my mind. I was just like, let me tell these niggas right quick. But I'm going to go ahead and log off this motherfucker. I'll catch y'all in the next one. West Texas Gang. It's your boy Jesse J.